Hello everybody. Today we'll discuss the topic on neural network. Neural network concept is inspired by the neuron of human brain. Neuron is just a node with many inputs and one output. A neural network consists of many interconnected neurons. Neurons are also called perceptrons. Perceptron is a mathematical model of biological neuron. Neurons receives data and provides a response as output. Neural networks are designed to work just like human brain does. In case of facial recognition, brain makes decision very quickly. Example, male or female, old or young, and so on. As perceptron or neuron is an object, it takes binary input and output as binary output. It uses some parameters to decide whether the outcome is yes 1 or no 0. Basic structure of neural network. Basic structure of artificial neural network consists of artificial neuron that are grouped into layers. Most common artificial neural network consists of input layer, one or more hidden layers, and output layer. Input layer takes input signal and passes them to next layer. They don't apply any operation on input signal. Hidden layer. They have no direct connection with outside world. They perform computation and transfer the information from input layer to output layer. Output layer, it transfers the information to outside world. We should know about two main parameters in neural network. One is weight and the next one is bias. When inputs are transmitted between neurons, weights are applied to input and passed to activation function along with bias. First we'll see the parameter weight. Weight are numerical values which are multiplied with input. Weights are machine learned values from neural network. They self-adjust depending on the difference between predicted output versus training input. Bias. Bias is just like an intercept added in linear equation. It is an additional parameter in neural network which is used to adjust the output along with weighted sum of input to the neurons. Moreover, bias value allows you to shift the activation function to either left or right. What is activation function? Activation function are mathematical equations that determines the output of a neural network. The function is attached to each neuron in a network and determines what neurons to be fired next. It helps the neuron to switch on or off. Operation of neuron. Look at the figure. There are three inputs x1, x2, x3 coming to neuron, which is multiplied by corresponding weight added with bias, and activation function is applied. Then the output of neuron is sent as input to other neuron next to it. Similarly, after each column of neuron is completed, at the end the last value obtained determines the desired output. If obtained output does not matches with predicted result, weight is adjusted. Here comes backpropagation. Backpropagation helps to adjust the weight of neurons. So the result comes closer and closer to known predicted result. Forward propagation means moving forward from input to output. Now we'll see the areas of application of neural network. Human face recognition, image processing, character and voice recognition, forecasting or some of the application of neural network, and its applications are enormous. Thank you. Please do subscribe my channel for more artificial intelligence tutorials.